Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make a magic ring. There are two methods you can use and the results are identical to each other's. This is the yarn I use regularly for making amigurumis. It's a 5-ply milk cotton yarn. This yarn is so soft to touch, doesn't fray, and very easy to work with. Not to mention, it's very easy to find the beginning of the yarn. And for the hook, I use 3.25mm. I highly recommend this Atimo hook by Tulip in red. It is more gentle to my eyes since it doesn't reflect light. The first method, which is my favorite, chain 2, 6 single crochet. Take the beginning of yarn and bring it on your middle finger. Hold the yarn with your last 3 fingers. Wrap it over your index finger and hold it with your thumb and your middle finger. Now place your hook over the yarn. Not under, but over. Give a gentle twist to bring up a loop. Now hold both pieces of yarn where they intercept with your thumb and middle finger. Go under to bring up a loop. This is the foundation. Now go under again to create the first chain. This is also what we call chain 1. To make chain 2, go under again. Now we make 6 single crochet into the first chain. Method number 2, magical ring, or some call it adjustable magical loop. Take beginning of yarn, hold it with the last 3 fingers like in method 1. Wrap the beginning of yarn on your index finger twice. Insert your hook in between the 2 loops and your index finger. Bring up a loop. Work the following steps including both loops. Go under and bring up a chain. This is the foundation. Now make the first single crochet. Continue making the rest of the 6 single crochet. Now that you have 6 single crochet, pull lightly on the beginning of yarn. You see that one of the loops is decreasing in size. Take that loop and pull it away from you. You see that the other loop is reducing in size. When tightened enough, you can finish it off by pulling the beginning of yarn. So which method do you like better? Comment down below and I'll see you in my next video.